These are some of our nurses and midwives from across Wales.
I am a community nurse and a mentor to student nurses. I inspire and nurture the future generations of nurses and have the privilege of nursing patients in their own home in the beautiful Powys community.
I'm a nurse educator within the Welsh Ambulance Service who empowers nurses and non-clinicians to deliver safe, effective, quality care.
I'm a student nurse who impacts the lives of children, young people and their families through advocacy and compassionate evidence-based care.
I'm a cardiac specialist nurse that guides people to realise that being born with a heart condition doesn't define them as a person.
I am a consultant nurse in emergency care. I promote the importance of clinical expertise, nurse research, education and leadership in order to deliver quality patient care.
I'm a Director of Nursing working within secondary care. I'm passionate about influencing and developing individuals to facilitate change.
I'm just a midwife, but I get to hold new life in my hands every day.
As a graduate nurse, I'm currently working in the emergency department. I've had a fantastic learning experience. The support I've received is embedded into the care I provide my patients and their families, which makes me proud to be an adult nurse and begin my career within Wales.
I am a nurse with the Welsh Ambulance Service with the safeguarding of patients and staff at the heart of everything I do.
I am a specialist midwife. I care for teenage parents, providing midwifery care and encouraging them to develop strong attachments and the skills they need to nurture their babies.
I'm a home dialysis nurse who teaches patients to manage their dialysis therapy at home, promoting independence and quality of life.
I'm a consultant midwife and I lead and facilitate change to promote health and well-being for the families we care for.
I am a senior mental health nurse. I work in partnership with Her Majesty's Prison Cardiff to ensure the men in custody receive the best possible mental health care.
Dwi'n nyrs dynodedig. Dwi'n gweithio i'r tîm diogelu cenedlaethol ac yn angerddol am ddiogelu fod pobl mewn peryg o niwed.
I am a senior lecturer who is responsible for the education of the current and future nursing workforce in Wales. I inspire, motivate and encourage future nurses to develop the knowledge and skills to deliver evidence-based, compassionate, person-centred care.
I'm a midwife who helps to support women and their families in making informed choices about the care they receive in their pregnancy and planning for the birth they hope for.
I'm a student children's nurse who provides support and care for children, young people and their families during an extremely challenging time.
I am a ward sister on a busy trauma ward, caring for acutely unwell patients. I am committed to ensuring my patients receive holistic care in a safe environment to enable effective rehabilitation.
I'm a child and adolescent mental health nurse who provides a light on the horizon, often unseen, but discovered with guidance. These words are taken from a poem written about me by a service user.
I'm a student nurse who is inspired, devoted and motivated by mentors, healthcare professionals and patients to shape the future of nursing in Wales.
Hello, my name is Laura.
Hello, my name is Rhiannon.
Hello, my name is Helen.
And together we are
Learning Disability Nurses.
This year it's 100 years of learning disability nurses. We're the best.
We love it.